What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Hopefully you can see a few worms up on top. I went ahead, I've been bowling a lot the last couple of weeks, so my fingers are kind of splitting open a little bit, so I want to make sure I have some type of cover on them. Got some kind of sprout. I see I got some worms crawling on the side. So I'm just going to kind of knock them back in for right now. I did get a chance to come in here and look at the top. I didn't see any worm chow, so I did add a little bit more earlier this week. Yep, that piece of pumpkin is all gone. Definitely looks like the population is growing because kind of everywhere I'm looking, I'm seeing worms. There's that little sprout. I'm kind of looking forward to this feeding because, like I said the last time, it's going to be something a little slower. Got a banana peel. I have no idea how fast or slow this is going to be. If you can see, like, the brown spot on the sweet potato, it was a smaller sweet potato and started kind of turning and going bad, so that's going in. I had a few garlic scapes. Oh, there's another piece of sweet potato. And then a few grapes. So, it'll be interesting to see how this feeding goes for next week. Definitely should see the banana peel, and we'll see what else is left. I got a little grit for him. Nothing too crazy. Now, the interesting thing, of course you won't be able to see it. There's about 4 or 5 worms hanging on at the bottom there. Down here is going to need more water. Well, this let me show off this new guy. If you guys maybe don't shop on Amazon or anything, I actually picked this up at Lowe's. I think it was $7.98. It's a little half-gallon sprayer. Wow, I see him. I gotta... Come here, you little... There's one there. One there. For whatever reason, they definitely like to go down in the tower. So, I'm gonna hit this top with a little bit of that worm chow. So I definitely went a little heavier today, and while I have the water out, I'm just going to hit this lightly too. As you see, the feedings I've been doing have been small, and the worms have been going right through it. So hopefully this feeding a little bit may stay around for next week, so then I can have a little barometer of you know, how well the bin's doing. If you guys have any questions, don't forget, drop them down in the comments. If you're thinking about anything that I should maybe see about adding, let me know. I do have some spinach that's outside that didn't die off in the freeze that we had back in December, and it's still kind of going strong, so I may see about adding a little bit of some spinach pieces in here for next feeding as a little bit of a faster food. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.